Human rights violations don't just live in headlines.
9 men were trafficked from the Czech Republic and forced to work at a UK McDonald's restaurant by a criminal gang.
They live in your supply chain. If your business isn't ready to detect them, you're exposing yourself reputationally, financially, and even legally. The RiskReady series helps you get ahead of that. I'm Tony Dunkerley, a former UK detective and international advisor on investigating human trafficking. I've worked around the world, from Africa to the Middle East, and I want to help you and your business become risk-ready. The RiskReady series is a 6-part live online training experience. It's packed with real-world cases, editable e-workbooks, and tools you can use straight away. If you work in procurement, HR, ESG, legal, or compliance, this training gives you the tools and confidence to act. Legislation is tightening. Supply chain scrutiny is rising. The question is not if, it's when. And when it comes, will you be ready? Join me live for the RiskReady series on investigating human rights violations in supply chains. Sign up now. Take your team from vulnerable to risk ready.